Hi, I'm here to review a product for Amazon. This is an HDMI cord.
This is the HDMI cable with.
Today I have this HDMI cable.
Hello folks, this is the Cable Direct HDMI cable.
If you are in the market or looking at different HDMIs, this one I absolutely love.
So this is the Cable Direct cable. I actually got the shortest one that you can get, which as you can see.
Hello folks, I'll be honest, I'm not in the habit of making videos on HDMI cables.
Look, I bought many HDMI cables in my life. I have to say this is very resistant. I have been using it for more than 3 years.
All right, I'm doing a review on this Cable Direct brand high-speed HDMI cable.
Hey everyone, James here, and this is a look at the Cable Direct 8K and 4K HDMI cable.
This HDMI cable is perfect for anyone who would like to connect a new monitor, or maybe your DVD, Blu-ray, PlayStation or Xbox is in a place that you cannot reach. No problem. With this cable you can do it.
So I recently purchased this 10-foot 8K HDMI cable.
We've got the Cable Direct 8K and 4K HDMI cables.
Hey, what's going on guys? John here. Today we're actually going to be doing an unboxing and a demo for the Cable Direct high-speed HDMI cable.
Howdy there folks, today we're going to take a look at this Cable Direct really high quality HDMI cable.
I needed a super duper long cord to hook up my laptop to my television. This cable is 30 feet. Normally I use this for gaming, but today it's perfect from my laptop to my television.
Okay, so some things I like about this HDMI cable.
Level up your home theater experience with the HDMI cable 4K 15 feet.
So the team at Cable Direct have sent us their 10-foot HDMI cable, pulling this